What's your name? My name is John. What do you do? I'm a teacher. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What day is it today? It's Wednesday. What's for dinner? We're having pasta tonight. What are you thinking about? I'm thinking about my weekend plans. What's the weather like? It's sunny and warm. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What did you do last weekend? I went hiking with friends. What's this? That's a book about history. What are you doing tomorrow? I have a meeting in the morning, then I'm free. What's your brother's name? His name is Mike. What are your hobbies? I enjoy reading and cycling. What's your phone number? It's 555-1234. What's the date today? It's July 21st. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. What are you watching? I'm watching a documentary on Netflix. What's the score? It's 2-1 in favor of our team. What's your address? I live at 123 Maple Street. What happened? The car broke down on the way home. What's wrong? I have a headache. What's the plan for today? We're going to the beach in the afternoon. What's in your bag? Just my wallet, keys, and a book. What's your favorite food? I love sushi. What's the best way to get there? Take the first left, then go straight for 2 blocks. What are you listening to? I'm listening to the new Taylor Swift album. What's your job? I work as a graphic designer. What's your favorite sport? I love playing basketball. What's your favorite book? To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. What's the name of this place? This is the Green Mill Cafe. What's the main ingredient in this dish? It's made with chicken and rice. What time does the store close? It closes at 8 p.m. What size do you wear? I wear a size medium. What's your dream job? I'd love to be a travel writer. What are you afraid of? I'm really scared of spiders. What did you have for breakfast? I had oatmeal and coffee. What's your plan for the holiday? We're planning to visit family in New York. What's the capital of Italy? Rome. What type of music do you like? I'm really into jazz. What's your mother's name? Her name is Susan. What's the best restaurant around here? The Italian place around the corner is great. What's your favorite TV show? I love watching Stranger Things. What are you drinking? Just some water. What's your favorite season? I love fall because of the colors. What's the Wi-Fi password? It's password 123. What did you think of the movie? I thought it was really exciting. What's your favorite holiday? Christmas is my favorite. What's the purpose of this meeting? We need to discuss the upcoming project. What's the biggest city in the USA? New York City. What's your nationality? I'm Canadian. What's the latest news? The stock market hit a new high today. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? I love chocolate chip. What's the theme of the party? It's a 1980s theme. What's your sign? I'm a Gemini. What's your father's job? He's an engineer. What type of car do you drive? I drive a Honda Civic. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. What's the exchange rate for euros? It's about 1.1 for 1 euro. What's the main issue here? The main issue is lack of communication. What time does the train leave? The train leaves at 6:45 p.m. What's your middle name? My middle name is Edward. What do you recommend on the menu? The steak is really good here. What's your favorite fruit? I love strawberries. What's your shoe size? I wear a size 10. What's the title of this book? It's called The Great Gatsby. What's your biggest fear? My biggest fear is heights. What's your favorite dessert? I can't resist cheesecake. What's the distance to the airport? It's about 20 miles. What's your favorite drink? I usually order a coffee. What are you having? I'll have the chicken salad. What's the problem with the car? There seems to be an issue with the engine. What's the best way to contact you? Email works best for me. What's your favorite restaurant? I love the Thai place downtown. What's the deadline for this project? The deadline is next Friday. What's your favorite video game? I enjoy playing The Legend of Zelda. What's the temperature outside? It's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit. What's your favorite website? I spend a lot of time on Reddit. What's your favorite memory? My favorite memory is a trip to Europe with my family. What time do you wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. What's the best movie you've seen recently? I really liked Dune. What's your favorite pizza topping? I always go for pepperoni. What's your favorite song? Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen is my favorite. What are you allergic to? I'm allergic to peanuts. What's your favorite holiday destination? I love going to Hawaii. What's your pet's name? My cat's name is Whiskers. What's the capital of Canada? Ottawa. What's your favorite outdoor activity? I love hiking in the mountains. What's your favorite breakfast food? Pancakes are my go-to breakfast. What's your favorite sport to watch? I enjoy watching soccer. What's your lucky number? 7 is my lucky number. What's the biggest challenge you've faced? Moving to a new country was a huge challenge. What's your favorite quote? Be the change that you wish to see in the world. What's your favorite app on your phone? I use Spotify the most. What's the best gift you've ever received? A handmade scarf from my grandmother. What's the name of your first pet? My first pet was a dog named Rocky. What's your favorite kind of weather? I love sunny and cool days. What's your favorite brand of clothing? I like wearing clothes from Zara. What's your favorite type of cuisine? Italian food is my favorite. What's the best advice you've ever received? Work hard and be kind. What's your favorite board game? Monopoly is a classic favorite.